Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can run Odoo on VS Code. So let's get right into it. Now the only thing with VS Code that you can run regarding Odoo is the development environment, and this tutorial is going to be focusing on that. So let's go over the steps on what you need to do to actually set everything up. Now, the first step is to install the Python packages that are required and the libraries, which you need to actually be able to run the code and to be able to edit everything as you should. Now, this is going to suppose that you are using Linux so that you have access to the sudo install commands and everything else. So what you need to do is just type in sudo apt-get install and then ypython3-pip and then this entire command, which you can just go over through the video and type it out yourself, or you can just visit this site, which is Cybersys, if you want to, and then just copy this entire command yourself. And then after that, you just install the web dependencies, which are these ones that you see right here, such as Node.js and other things among that. And then for creating reports, you need to install WK HTML to PDF, and you can do that by doing this. You can also do this manually. If you're using Windows, you can install all of these manually by just downloading them off the internet. Then also you do need a PostgreSQL server to run this, so you should install that. So just install PostgreSQL. There should be a space in between these, so just keep that in mind, and then you'll be able to install PostgreSQL. Then you should switch the user to Postgres, which is done by this sudo su-postgres, so that should change you to the user that you need. And then you can create a new user, which is called Odoo, for example 14 here, or you can use whichever version you're using by using the create user command. And as you can see, create DB, which is create database, then username, which I'm pretty sure you set everything up with this command, and then just add Odoo 14 at the end, and it will ask for a password, so just provide it and remember it. And then once you're done with that, you have PSQL, and you should alter this user for to be a super user with this command, so just use that. And after everything you've done there, you can exit PSQL and Postgres by doing /q and then exit. And then if you haven't already, just install VS Code using this command right over here, and then you just need to download the source files by using this git command right over here to clone the repository for the Odoo source code. Then just change the directory to the Odoo directory, then install the requirements.txt by just going sudo pip3 install -requirements.txt, which I'm pretty sure it doesn't have 2 R's, so just type in requirements.txt, that should be it. And now that that's done, you can go over into VS Code and then just configure everything for Odoo, and these are the options and the adequate configuration that you need. And once you've set that up, you can just go to run and start debugging and open launch.json, where you just need to add some configuration details as well, such as these. And once you edit everything there, you should be good to go, and you'll be able to run VS Code or Odoo in VS Code. And that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.